Hello students, in today's lecture we'll learn or we'll do the practical of pre-order, post-order and in-order traversal of binary tree. Okay, here we have created one binary tree. That binary tree is shown here with the node of node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4 and node 5. We have created one binary tree with this struct node. The root is defined by one node. The root is defined by one node. Then the left root, that means the left side of the root node will be 2 and the right side of the root node will be 3. The left to left side, that means root left to left side, that means at the node of second left side the fourth node is there, and the right side at the root left to the right side the fifth node is there, that is at second, that is at second right node fifth node is there. Now you can suppose the tree, you can assume that tree, and that tree we have to traverse, and that tree we have to traverse in order with the pre-order also, pre-order, in-order and post-order. Now let's see how it should be traveled. Okay, so for that purpose, first of all we have taken one node with the left and right pointer, with the left and right pointer and the data. Data means the value which we have to store into that node. Okay. So for that purpose, we have taken here one node. So for that purpose, we have taken here one node, and in that node we have stored one data, and we have pointed to the left node and the right node. Okay. So that means the left will be left indicate the left child and the right will indicate the right child of the data. Okay, then after that we have to allocate the new node as a left and right. Okay, that means we have to create one node, and in that node the left side will be null and the right side will be null, and for that creation, that node creation, we perform this line, that is with this line struct node pointer node in that the struct node pointer malloc size of struct node. With this line we have created one node, and in that node we have stored some data, and the left and right part, or the left and right part of that node will be defined as null. So with this function new node, we have created one new node. Okay, then in this new node we will add all this 1 2 3 4 5, the node is there. We will add that all node into this node. Okay, with this no new node we can add all the node into the tree. Now we have to perform the order, that is first is post order. Now post order, that means the left subtree we should traverse first, then the right subtree we should traverse, and the last at the end we have to traverse the data. Okay, so here the sequence is LRD, that means left, right and data. So first of all, if the node is equal to null, if the nodes are not there, the traversal will not be there. If the nodes are there, then print post order node left. First of all, traverse the all left part, or the all left subtrees node, then traverse the right subtrees node, that is the node right, and then at last we have to traverse the data. Right? So for that purpose, we have taken here print post order function. In that post order function, we pass the node, whatever the node we are visiting, that node we have to pass, and we again have to check that the node is at left side or the right side. First, in post order, first we have to add all the left subtrees node, then the right subtrees node, and then the data. In order, in order, we have to add first left subtree, then data, and then right subtree. So for that purpose, again we have taken function that is in order. In order, we have passed the node, we have passed the parameter as a node, and in that node, first of all, we will pass the left subtree, then we'll pass the data, and then we'll pass the right subtree. So because the sequence of in order will be left, data, right, that is LDR, means first of all we have to print the left side, left subtree, then the data, and the right subtree. Data means root. Okay. Then after that, the third function is pre-order function. In again pre-order function, the sequence is DLR. That means first of all we have to visit data, then the second we have to visit left subtree, and third we have to visit the right subtree. So for that purpose, again we have taken the new function that is print pre-order. Pre-order. In that pre-order, again we have pass the node, and in that node again we have to traverse with the data followed by the left part and followed by the right part. So in this three functions we have traversed the tree as a post order, pre order, and in order. Now in this main function we first have to create the tree. So at first only we have seen this code, and with this code we have created one tree. We have created one tree. Root is 1. At left side, second is there. At right side, third is there. At second's left side, 4 is there. And at second's right side, fifth is there. Okay, you can assume the tree. And then after, you have to call the functions in printf. That means in printf function, we have passed the message that the pre-order traversal of binary tree, and we have to call the function with the root parameter. In root parameter, all the sequence, or you can say all the tree traversal sequence is stored, and will store that will store that into will store it into root, and that will be displayed by the printer. Same here, we have added here one in order traversal printer. In that also we called the in order function, and again in last we have added post order traversal. So in post order traversal we again call the function post order, and in that also we have passed the root parameter to display the sequence. Okay, so let's run this code. We can see the things. Okay, so the the tree was root. First is at root side. First is root. Second is at left side. Third is at right side. Then at second's left, the fourth is there, and at right side, fifth is there. So the pre-order traversal of binary tree is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. Then in order traversal of binary tree, that is 4, 2, 5, 1, 3, and the post order traversal of binary tree is 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. So you can draw the tree, and you can check the all the traversal of the binary tree to get confirmed with the answer. Okay, so you can do this. You can do this to confirm the answer. I I think you have understood the things what I have explained in this seventh C practical. That C practical is your traversing the tree with the pre-order, in order, and post-order traversal. Thank you.